12 dark psychological tricks to make your crush obsessed with you. Copycat trick. Copy their moves and words a little bit to make them feel closer. Stand tall, don't slouch, stand up straight and proud to look better. Remember names, use their name when talking to them to make them feel special. Secret jokes, make up jokes only you two understand to make your bond stronger. Eye game, look into their eyes to show you're interested, but don't stare too much. Listen up, pay attention when they talk and show you care about what they say. Small favors, ask them for little favors to make them like you more. Be happy, stay positive and cheerful to spread good vibes. Touchy-feely stuff, lightly touch their arm or shoulder to create a connection, but don't overdo it. Play hard to get, don't always be available, let them chase you a bit. Find common ground, talk about things you both like to feel more comfortable around each other. Actions speak, show them you like them through what you do, not just what you say. Extra tip, share your favorite trick in the comments and let's talk more about it. But always be nice and respectful when using these tricks.